Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have been excited for you a stunning Georgette Pitton work saree that is an absolutely beauty. This saree is perfect for any special occasion and party, and the best part it's available at jaw dropping price just 1050. Can you believe it? Let's dive straight into and take a closer look at this gorgeous piece. As we unwrap this saree, you can already see the fine craftsmanship and attention to detail. The intricate pattern work add a touch of elegance and making it look absolutely majestic. The fabric is made from high quality georgette, which gives it a smooth and flowy texture. It wraps beautifully and enhance your silhouette. The vibrant color in this saree take it to another level, and with a blend of royal blue and red and pink and green golden hue, it exudes an aura of sophistications and charm. The contrasting blouse and pallu add a delightful twist, making it a true smart piece and statement. Whether you are attending a wedding and festive celebration, this saree will surely make a happen. And the best part, this stunning saree won't break the bank, and just 1050 it, and absolutely still you no longer have to compromise no quality or style when shopping on a budget. Now with this amazing saree, you can look like $1,000,000 without spending a fortune. So if you don't want to add a touch of glamour to your wardrobe, don't miss out on this Georgette Pitton work saree. Order now and make a style statement like never before. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fashion updates. Happy shopping guys. If you want to purchase this saree, then also link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.